Hamjambo. This is Mwalimu Abdul Karim from Kiswahili with Abdul Karim. First, we are taking a boat ride to Bamburi Marine Park. We'll see different kind of fish. And today I'm glad to announce to you about our upcoming online Swahili course. It takes 3 months and it will start on 5th May 2025, next month. Here are some of the details about this course. It's online through Zoom and we learn 4 days a week. 4 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's group lesson. In group lesson, you have a chance to practice speaking your Swahili with other students. That's why I prefer group lessons. Also, the investment for you for this course is Kenya shillings 7,500 per month. So if you want to start speaking Swahili like a native speaker, then enroll now. Register now. I will leave the registration link in the description section for this video, or you can contact me on my WhatsApp +254 701 216 458 and start learning and speaking Swahili as a native very fast. Asante sana. Hope to see you in the course. Kwaheri.